before, and after. Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. For today's ganap, we're here in Barangay Paleg, Dinalungan, Aurora for another home service appointment. And today, pag-uusapan natin not just the experience but also the benefits of hair rebonding and why mas okay talaga ang home service. So first, let's talk about hair rebonding. If you have frizzy, wavy, or bahaghag na buhok, hair rebonding is one of the best solutions. It helps make your hair straight, smooth, and manageable. Yung tipong pagising mo sa umaga, hindi mo na kailangan mag-effort masyado. Less hassle, less time sa pag-aayos. Another benefit is long-lasting result. Hindi siya tulad ng ordinary straightening na nawawala agad. With proper care, your hair can stay straight and sleek for months. So sulit na sulit talaga. Plus, rebonded hair looks healthier and shinier. Kahit simple lang outfit mo, basta maayos yung buhok mo, ang lakas maka-confidence boost. Totoo yan. And of course, hindi lang siya about looks. It's also about confidence. Iba talaga yung feeling kapag kampante ka sa buhok mo. You feel more presentable, more confident, and ready to face anything. If you're someone na pagod na sa buhaghag na buhok, or gusto mo ng low maintenance na look, hair rebonding might be perfect for you. And if gusto mo ng mas convenient and mas comfortable experience, home service is definitely the way to go. Thank you so much again to our client here in Barangay Paleg, Dinalungan, Aurora for trusting our home service. And to everyone watching, if you want to experience this kind of service, message us now and book your appointment. And after a long process, ito na ang buhok ng ating client. As you can see, sobrang smooth, straight, and shiny na niya. From before na medyo buhaghag and hard to manage, ngayon, ang dali na lang i-style. Kahit suklay-suklay lang, okay na agad. Ito talaga yung isa sa pinakamagandang benefits ng hair rebonding. Low maintenance pero high impact. Yung tipong kahit simple lang ang ayos mo, mukha ka pa ring fresh and polished the whole day.